There were some of you asking about how I fit my Magura to the stock bracket, and there it is. It runs great. I need to adjust for the new clutch I just put in. I need to take that nut, back it off a little bit. That's real nice. Alright, so what we got is the 167. The bolt is a 3/16 diameter. The stock mount is a little shy of 3/8. So what I did was I went to the local hardware store and picked up a 1/2-inch nylon spacer, 1/2-inch outer diameter and 1/2-inch depth. Kind of hard to see, but and the inner diameter is 3/16. Yeah, inner diameter is 3/16. So what all that does is just takes up the wiggle room that loose bolt right there has. See all that? So I just slipped this thing in here. I went and got the 1/2-inch and just shaved it down with my grinder. You see it looks kind of rough. I'm sure you can go get one 3/8 outer diameter, 3/16 inner diameter. You probably order one online. This just slips right in here, nice and snug. This piece has a washer here. I'm putting another washer on there to back it off a little bit for my new clutch. So I'm going to have 2 washers right on that bolt. Right there. I'll slip that back in that hole, and there it is. It fits a whole lot tighter than if that spacer wasn't in there. And then just gets another washer. Probably do 2 washers on that side. Ace, stay down. Alright, so 2 washers on each side and a lock nut. Ace, come here. One other thing I did, I took this hole right here. Blurry, a little hard to see. But I just barely took the 2 edges off, top and bottom, right there. Just barely gave them a little angle with a file, so I could snap it onto the little shaft that comes out of there. And it just snaps right in. It just clips onto there. A little file down edge just to make it happen. And that's it. Very easy to do for the price, man, and what the strain it takes off. It's just amazing. I'm glad I spent the money. I'll give you all a little startup sequence of the bike. It's a cold day. Bike's cold. Haven't ran it today. You guys have seen videos on this before. Starting sequence, whole bike, about 60 degrees today. Turn the idle up about 1 full turn. Rotator over, top dead center. And I give it 2 squirts with the pumper, the tuning carb.